In this video, you'll learn how to create custom emoji in Slack. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to personalize your Slack experience with unique emoji that reflect your style or represent your team. Start by navigating to your Slack workspace, open your preferred web browser and go to the Slack application. If you are already logged in, you will see the main Slack interface. If not, enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you are in Slack, locate the sidebar on the left. Click on the home icon, which is usually the first option at the top. This action will take you to your main workspace overview, displaying channels and direct messages. Next, find Threads option in the sidebar and click on it. This will open a section that displays conversations you are involved in and any replies to your messages. You need to ensure you are in this section before proceeding. After that, look for the emoji icon located in the message input area at the bottom of the screen. Click on this emoji icon to open the emoji picker. This interface allows you to choose from existing emojis or add new ones. Now, click on the Add Emoji option that appears at the bottom of the emoji picker. This will lead you to the area where you can upload your custom emoji. You should see a prompt indicating that you can upload an image. Next, select the Custom Emoji tab, which is typically highlighted in the emoji picker interface. This tab is specifically for managing your personalized emojis. After selecting this, you will see the upload options appear. At this point, click on the Upload an Image button. This allows you to choose an image file from your device. It is recommended to use square images under 128 kilobytes with transparent backgrounds for the best results. Once you click Upload an Image, a file selection dialog will appear. Browse your files to find the image you want to use as your custom emoji. If your image is too large, Slack will attempt to resize it, but it is best to stay within the size recommendations. After selecting your image, click on the Open button in the file dialog. This action will upload the image to Slack. You may see a loading indicator while the upload is processed. Next, you will be prompted to give your custom emoji a name. Click on the text field labeled Give it a name. This name is what you will type to use the emoji in messages. So choose something descriptive and easy to remember. Type in the name of your emoji in the provided field. Ensure it is unique to avoid conflicts with existing emojis. Once you have entered the name, check that it meets any naming rules Slack may have. Finally, click on the Save button to finalize the creation of your custom emoji. After saving, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your emoji has been successfully added. You can now find it in the custom tab of the emoji picker. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.